So what's up, everybody? Happy Friday or Saturday or whenever day you're watching this. Right now I'm headed to Chris' shop. We're gonna start the process of sanding and maybe primering the hood and stuff like that. Decided to vlog it because, well, I need content and I know y'all need something to watch because, you know, your boy, you know what I'm saying? Just got to Chris' shop. Oh, I never showed you guys the Wabi Sabis, but this is Chris' custom Sentra. This thing is sick. It's all custom. This thing is awesome. It's all airbrushed work. Look at this. It's the details, bro. It's like barbed wire. So cool. Oh. Then you got, you know, the SEMA builder right here, but we're not gonna talk too much about it. Oh, this is awesome. It's all custom. He had this car for a long time. He does everything himself, all airbrushed work. Boom, it's done. Now Chris is about to prime it up. Before the paint shop closes, I got 15 minutes to get to the paint shop. Time to head down to Fort Pierce and drop off the car. Well, I made it. So yeah, Crustina's about to get off her paint. So this is the last look of Crustina before she goes in there and get painted. But well, sanded. The paint room is like over there, but whatever. But yeah, this is it. So as I was getting my Usain Bolt on car action style to make it to the paint shop, I didn't call my mom to tell her to come pick me up. So now, I'm walking. But look though, my car gonna come out sick. Well, I hope so. If you guys are wondering what stage paint I went with the 2X paint, which is the base and clear, not the single stage acrylic enamel where you mix both like what I had on my car now. Go! Back home at the cribbo, time to close out this video. Now, I haven't looked at the footage yet, but if this video is like any way, shape, or form like not entertaining, then smack the like button for your boy, because if it's not entertaining, you're gonna smack the like button, but if it was entertaining, you're gonna dislike the video. So I purposely made sure this video is not entertaining at all, son. But thank you guys for watching the video. Today was actually a pretty good day. Got the hood done. Shout out to my man Chris as always. Dropped the car off at the paint shop. Should receive the car by next Thursday or Wednesday, whenever they get it done. I should receive it sometime next week. So yeah, man, today was actually a pretty decent day. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you can, smack that like button for me for the one time. Thank you guys for watching. I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video, which will be I honestly have no idea what tomorrow's video should be, but I will catch you guys in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned, stay posted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I already said that twice, like 6 times. All I'm watching this show on Netflix, and it's actually pretty good. Just thought you guys should know that in case you want to watch it. You know what I'm saying? Oh, before I end the video, I know I got a question saying, yo, Zosh, what color you painting the car? The car is going to be painted the same color, but it's going to be OEM Cypress Green Pearl, so it's going to be the OEM green that came with the car until I got to repaint it some dark green stuff, so it should be a lighter, nice, clean green. It should look something like this. Probably not, but who knows? But hopefully it does. I'm only paying $900, so hopefully they get it close as possible. Just need something that's decent, you know what I'm saying? I just need decent paint. I don't care too much about having show quality paint because I don't have a show car. But I mean, for a 2K urethane paint job, it ain't too bad. You can Google pictures and see how it looks like. It's not too bad. Once you West Handed and buff it, boy, you'll be clean. So now I can end the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video. I'm out. Have a good one. Peace.